If your moving company website is not ranking on Google, there is a high chance you're missing something most moving companies don't even know exists. Technical SEO, not content, not backlinks, which is helpful, but the actual code behind your website. Because here's the truth about this. Search engines don't see your website the way people do. They will not scroll, they will not see, all this content, they will not watch videos, they will not engage as real people do. They read code, and if your code doesn't clearly tell them you're a moving company, you are already at a disadvantage. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that using something called Schema that you are seeing right here, and how to implement it step by step. So let's simplify this. When Google scans your website, they are trying to understand what your business is, what services you offer, and also where you are, where you are located. So without this proper structure, they will guess all this info. So you could be a moving company or a blog or anything else. That's where a schema comes in. Schema is structured data. It's code you add to your website and tell search engines exactly what your business is. So you're not just a website, you're a moving company and a local business. So that clarity is powerful. Let me show you how this works. So you go to schema.org or schema validator and enter your website URL. If you don't see this, if you don't see things like moving companies, local business, that means your site is not properly optimized. I just did a quick search. Let me run a new test. Use copy and paste your URL and click run test. Here you will see moving company, moving company, moving company, and type moving company. So if you don't see this, you're not optimized, and that's a problem. So um, we can fix it. We use structured templates, especially for moving companies. Again, we don't work with any other industry. We only focus on moving companies. So we already know what's working. We have everything ready for you. We have everything ready. We can implement this once you start. And this structure code includes your business name, your website, your phone number, your reviews, your email, your phone number, your address, your services, your hours, your social profiles, everything. This is everything Google needs to fully understand your website. This might look complicated, but you don't need to write it from scratch. So you can just let us do it and we will do it for you. If not, you can just copy the template and replace the information with your own. And that's it. You can even take this same one. Let's say this is your code. Um, See, you go line by line and you change the name, the business name, update your phone number, add your real address, insert your services. Make sure that everything is accurate because this is what search engines rely on. So you need to be very accurate with this. And now let's put it on your website. Most platforms have a section called header, custom code, or HTML section. You paste the code there. Show you that right here. You paste the code there, and you added side wide in the header, and if not, at least add it to your home page. So that depends on the builder. Once it's live, go back to schema.org or a validator and run the test again. Now you should see again, as I showed you before, right here, a moving company and 0 errors and 0 warnings. 0 errors and 0 warnings right here. So if you see an error, it's usually something small like a comma or a missing field. So this might feel technical, I know, but the impact is simple. So if you don't want to do this by yourself, just let me know and we will do it for you. You're making it easier for Google to trust your rank, to trust and rank your site. You're removing confusion, and that's very important. And when search engines understand your business clearly, you rank better. Most moving companies don't do this, which means that if you do, you already have an advantage over them. So, combining this with content, internal linking, and on page SEO, now you have a complete system that is going to help you get more traffic and get more real customers, not just spam, you know? So, technical SEO is not optional anymore. It's part of building a real online presence. Set up your schema, validate it, keep it accurate, and you'll be ahead of 90% of your competitors. So if you're interested and once you want to know more about Movers Boost and what we do, um, just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and I'll be calling you the next 15 minutes to, explain everything that we do, show you packages, prices, and strategy in how to help your business. I will also check your website to see what's happening, where you're ranking, and how can we improve that. So thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.